I think she'll get used to the van life.
You like it here?
So this is it? Our new home?
Welcome to Top Travel Things, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for living life on the road. Today, we're diving into the world of van life and showing you how to get started on your own adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, this guide is for you. How to start van life, tips and tricks. Van life. It's not just a trend, it's a lifestyle. But where do you begin? Fear not, because today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start your own van life journey. First things first, choose the right van for you. There are various types and sizes available, from vintage VW buses to modern Sprinter vans. Consider your budget, space requirements, and amenities you desire. Remember, your van will be your home on wheels, so choose wisely. Once you've got your van, it's time to convert it into a cozy living space. This is where the fun begins. Get creative with your layout and design to maximize functionality and comfort. From installing a bed and kitchenette to adding storage solutions, the possibilities are endless. Let's talk about destinations. One of the perks of van life is the freedom to travel wherever your heart desires. Research van-friendly destinations and plan your route accordingly. Whether you prefer beachside campsites or mountain hideaways, there's a world of adventure waiting for you. Of course, van life isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Embrace outdoor activities like hiking, surfing, and cooking by the campfire. Connect with nature and immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. After all, the best memories are made outdoors. When it comes to van life, organization is key. Keep your living space tidy and clutter-free to maximize comfort and efficiency. Invest in storage bins, collapsible furniture, and multifunctional items to make the most of your limited space. Lastly, remember to embrace the nomadic lifestyle. Van life is all about flexibility and adaptability. Embrace the unknown, meet new people, and make memories that will last a lifetime. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to starting van life. Whether you're hitting the road solo or embarking on a journey with loved ones, I hope these tips have inspired you to chase your wanderlust. Don't forget to subscribe to Top Travel Things for more adventure tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels!